In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a number in Aircall. Now, whether you've been receiving unwanted calls, or you just need to manage who can reach you through this app, learning to block numbers is a valuable skill. So, let's dive in and go through each step. First, open up your web browser. It doesn't matter which browser you use, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, as long as it can access the internet. Once your browser is up and running, head over to the search bar. Here, type in Aircall and hit enter. You're looking for the official website, so make sure you click on the link with the URL aircall.io. This will ensure you're accessing the correct platform and not a different website with a similar name. Upon reaching the Aircall website, you'll need to log into your account. If you're not logged in automatically, look for the login option, which is typically at the top right corner. Enter your credentials carefully to access your account. This is where we can start configuring the call settings to block that pesky number. Once logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar. This is where you can navigate through various options available in Aircall. Locate the Call Settings option and click on it. This will open up a range of customizable settings you can tweak to suit your needs. Scrolling through the settings, you'll want to find the section labeled Blocked Numbers. This is the hub for managing all numbers that you've decided to block, and it's where you can add new numbers to this list. Go ahead and click on the Blocked Numbers tab, which will allow you access to the settings you need. Next, look for an option that lets you add a new block. In most cases, it's a button labeled something like Add New Block. Click this option, and you should see a form or input field where you can type in the number you wish to block. Ensure you input the number accurately to avoid blocking the wrong contact. There is usually an international dialing format available, so be mindful of including the appropriate country code if necessary. After entering the number, you'll see a confirmation button, likely labeled Add or something similar. Clicking this will finalize your action, blocking the unwanted number. Once confirmed, this number will no longer be able to contact you through Aircall, providing you with a bit more peace of mind. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily block any number in Aircall, managing your calls more effectively and maintaining a distraction-free environment. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it enhances your experience in using Aircall. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.